I'm Miss May. Today our activity for today is letter B is for bird. Okay, our materials for today, we have our letter B stencil, our 2 leg cutouts, we have 1 beak, blue strips, our construction paper, crayons, and glue. Okay, our first step, we're gonna take our letter B cutout and trace it onto our construction paper. We got it traced out. We're going to color it in. Oops. Wrong spot. Okay, our next step, we're going to take our orange beak and add it to our letter B to begin to create our face. We're going to take our googly eye, stick it to our little beak. Okay, now that we got our eye on, we're going to take our 2 leg cutouts and add them to the bottom of letter B. So now that our bird has feet. Lastly, we have our blue strips left. I'm going to take that and add it to the end of our letter B here to create a tail for our bird. And there we go. This is our activity for today. Letter B is for bird.